Good evening, guys. For the past 2 days, I'm not able to post the regular video which we are posting. So again, we will go with a short video, especially on index. So today, if you look at the Nifty, yesterday I had given a view as bearish. So today, if you see market open slight gap down, and then the whole day it was in consolidation phase. If you see on the last like Sunday video, which is about the what's next for the June prediction, I had mentioned as please focus on stock specific actions and avoid index. So exactly if you see on Monday, it made a rally. It closed close to 15,600, and then next day Monday it opened with a huge gap up close to 670 levels, because 670 is the resistance of harmonic. So market started booking the profits from there, and then market was in a range yesterday, and actually it was also in a rising channel, rising wedge. So the rising wedge pattern is bearish, so it broke down, but took support around 450 area today, and then the later part of the day it rose up. So if you see on Bank Nifty it was a very short range today. Yesterday it has fallen from the highs 35,700 levels. Again, as per harmonic, that is the reversal level. It reversed from there, and then it sustained below 35,400 levels. It was close to 35,100. It touched around 35,000, close to 35,050 levels today. But support was at 35,000. So market regained the momentum in the second half, but in a very, very slow manner, maybe due to margin rules. The volumes were also less. ICC Bank was performing bearish for the past 2 days, and today it required another, like in the later part of the day, it required 4 points. So that pulled market upside. HDFC Bank recovered from yesterday's lows, today's lows, close to 1495 it went. Today it rose up. So if you see the view for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow, it is bullish. Okay, it has broken the trend line support. Like rising wedge pattern, but took support. Again, it has started moving up, which means they are back to action. So if you see for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, I am bullish for tomorrow. Okay, so let's go to the FIDA data. So this is the FIDA data starting with index futures. So these are all the participant wise open interest for clients, DAs, FIs, pros. So first is index futures, this index calls, next and the third is index puts. As we are focusing only on the index, let's look at only on this part. So if we see clients are in shorting position of index future. 2 days ago 33,000. Yesterday they had increased their shorting contracts, and today they covered their shorts, which means they closed the shorts and bought 11,666 contracts. The previous day it was 36,873. Today it is 24,207. So short covering has happened from index shorting from the client side. So coming to DAs also reduced their position by close to 3,000 levels. Like 3,000 contracts, which means their short covering has been happened. Okay. So coming to FII compared to yesterday's contracts, 88,000, today close to 9,400 contracts they sold, which means they are mild bearish. So pros again, they are bearish. So this is an index future. Coming to index calls. So index calls. So 2 days ago, 98,000 contracts have been sold. One day yesterday, it was 26,000 contracts sold. And today, another 2,000 contracts added into that, which means like there are 28,866 contracts, 866 contracts they had sold on index calls, which means clients are bearish on index calls. So again, DAE not much change. FIAs are mild bearish. Pros are bullish. Yesterday, if you see 79,883 contracts, they were selling. Today, short covering. So today they closed there and shorts and then bought index calls on that. Okay. Coming to index puts. So clients are mild bearish compared to yesterday. DAs are bearish. I mean like mild bearish. I mean like close to 10-20% they had added. Coming to FIAs are mild bearish. Pros again bullish. So if you see market tomorrow, market will be uh, Nifty, one bank Nifty, both will be bullish for tomorrow. And if you come to the open interest wise data, FIs had reduced their long positions because we people focus mainly on FIIs. So I am sharing here only the FII data. FIIs had reduced their long positions by 1%. So they are uh, still bullish on index futures. I mean like index. And so the support and resistance open interest wise data 35,500. Let me show you back. 35,000 is having the huge support, and above if you see 36,000, 35,500 and 36,000. 36,000 is having the huge huge resistance. Coming to Nifty, if you see the next open interest is the next resistance is at 15,600. I mean tomorrow I'm expecting market to open gap up or uh, flat to mild gap up. If you see the next next resistance is at 15,700. 15,600 is having, I mean like 15,650 is having a mild resistance, but huge resistance is at 15,700. We see on the support side, 15,500 is having the huge support. So coming to Bank Nifty, as I said, Bank Nifty is having huge support at 35,000. Yes, 35,000. And yeah, it is having huge support at 35,000. And if you see on the upside, the resistance is at 35,500. So above 35,500, the next resistance will be 36,000. So I'm expecting market to be bullish tomorrow. So this is the view for tomorrow. Please focus on stock specific actions for tomorrow. I'm not expecting a huge bullish move, but market will be bullish compared to today because some of the shorts has been covered. I mean like short covering has happened. Focus on auto stocks tomorrow. and finance stocks for tomorrow. Thanks, guys. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.